Hey guys, it's Gaston. Are you looking for a 6-inch lift for the 4th generation Tacoma? Well, look no further. Rough Country's got it first and foremost. Now this kit not only lifts your Tacoma 6 inches, it's also gonna level it out, getting rid of that factory nose down stance. Not only that, but it's gonna allow you to run up to a 35-inch tall tire. The kit's built using 100% laser cut materials and advanced CAD design for a precise fit, superior strength, and long-lasting durability. Let's take a look at what's included. Up first, we've got our lifted knuckles. These are designed to maintain your factory track width and your factory alignment specs. Standard kit's gonna include front strut spacers for lift. You can upgrade to everything from our N3 series all the way up to our M1R shocks and struts and lifted rear coils. Next up, we've got our high clearance cross members for the front. These are uniquely engineered to make sure you have the most ground clearance possible on the trail. Kit also includes a CV style front drive shaft. This is going to reduce your front driveline angles and eliminate the possibility of vibrations. Of course, we include all the necessary hardware to install the kit, as well as your front sway bar relocation brackets and a beefed up lower front skid plate. Moving to the rear, we include extended rear sway bar links, our extended rear shocks that are lengthened and valved specifically for the vehicle. Here we've got our rear upper control arm relocation brackets. These are gonna increase your rear axle travel and give you more articulation off-road where you need it most. Next to those, we've got our track bar relocation bracket. This is gonna ensure that that rear axle stays centered exactly where it's supposed to be. The kit also includes replacement rear bump stops to accommodate the additional lift in the rear. And finally, I touched on these earlier, the standard kit's gonna come with rear coil spring spacers, but you can upgrade to replacement rear coil springs for increased lift height, improved load support, and enhanced ride quality. So if you thought your 4th generation Tacoma was stuck with either a lift kit or maybe a 3.5-inch lift, think again. Rough Country's got you covered with our all-new 6-inch lift. Available today at roughcountry.com.